Welcome in my class. Happy learning classes. In today's class, we will do some slogans of freedom struggles. Right? So, slogans of freedom struggle, they are given by our freedom fighters. So, with the hard work of whom, with the sacrifice of whom, we are celebrating Republic Day in our country today. And see, let's start. First slogan is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, and this slogan is given by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. He has also written our national song. Then Jai Hind. Jai Hind is given by Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Jai Hind. Many times, every time we say Jai Hind. Then third one is Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. It is given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And our freedom struggle, people and our people from all parts of India, they participated. And then with their struggle, with their enthusiasm, with their patriotism, we got the freedom. Next is Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. It is given by Bhagat Singh. It is given by Bhagat Singh. Then Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate, Madan Mohan Malviya. Madan Mohan Malviya. And the last one is We are Indians firstly and lastly. Look at this beautiful slogan. We are Indians firstly and lastly. And it is given by B.R. Ambedkar. That is Bhim Rao Ambedkar, who is the father of our constitution. He has given us constitution and he said we are Indians firstly and lastly, which is 100% true. And every Indian feel it, right? And see, every feeling can be finished from our heart and every feeling can be impure, but patriotism never be impure. So we should proud to be an Indian. We should proud on our rich culture. We should respect all religion and we should always be in patriotism, right? So read these slogans, use them in your sentences, use them in your paragraph so that you always feel very happy after using such slogans which our freedom fighters just gave us. So have a very good day and celebrate your day with enthusiasm. And this is our first festival of this year, national festival of this year. So be energetic, be positive and always walk proudly that we are Indian and we have such a good history and we have such a good people around us. So keep rocking and keep learning and make our nation proud. Have a very good day. See you next class. And please share this video again and again and share this video and come subscribe my channel so that these slogans spread all over the world so everybody can able to know that what a brave freedom fighter we have in our country, and India is the country of brave people. We are proud of our soldiers, we are proud on our farmers, we are proud on our scientists. So keep learning and keep writing also. Writing is very important. See, do practice of writing these slogans and remember by whom these slogans were given to us. So keep learning and have a very, very good day.